A very happy morning, students. In the previous class, you have learnt about CPU, Central Processing Unit. You know it is the brain of a computer where it processes and stores the information, performs calculations, and sends the result to the output devices. Let us know output devices. The output devices are used to display the data that we enter in a computer and the results that we get after processing. The output unit is used for displaying the processed data in a user readable form. A computer can have several output devices attached to it. Some of them monitor, printer, speakers, etc. So the most common output device is the monitor. Let us now discuss about the monitor. This monitor monitor is the most common output device. It is also called visual display unit. An electronic visual display for computers, just like a television. A monitor also displays the output on the screen. The picture on a monitor is made up of thousands of small colored dots called pixels. The output displayed on the monitor is called soft copy. There are different types of monitors. They are CRT, LCD, LED, touch screen. Let us know one by one about these monitors. First of all, CRT monitors. These CRT monitors were the most common monitors until flat panel screens became affordable. CRT monitors are bulky and occupy a lot of space. They are available in various sizes like 14 inches, 15 inches, 17 inches and 21 inches. A CRT monitor still has better contrast ratios and viewing angles than any other type of computer monitor. CRT monitors are generally less expensive but consume more electricity. Next, LCD, liquid crystal display. LCD monitors are relatively thinner and lighter than CRT monitors. They use the light modulating properties of liquid crystals, LCs. Liquid crystals do not emit light directly. They save a lot of space and can be mounted on walls. They provide a wide viewing angle and come in various sizes ranging from 17 inches to 60 inches. They display sharp images and requires less power to run. Next one is here they were used in wide range of applications including computer monitors, television, instrumental panels, aircraft cockpit displays, etc. They are also used in devices such as clocks, watches, calculators, radio players, gaming devices and telephones. So let us now discuss about the LED monitors, light emitting diodes. These monitors look more or less same as LCD monitors. These have better picture quality and are much in demand than LCDs. LED screens are used as a light source in home light bulbs, traffic lights, smartphone and laptop screens, which produces infrared light have been in our remote controls. Then last one is touch screen monitors. Here a touch screen is a special monitor which allows the user to input information by touching the icons or graphical buttons present on the screen. One can enter only a limited amount of data by using touch screen technology. And it is also used in ATM machines, offices, cineplexes to retrieve desired information. Touchscreen monitors are used in many supermarkets and museums to give information about products and objects of historical importance respectively. Okay students, watch the video twice or thrice and answer the questions. Have a nice day.